Welcome to the Yoga Brotherhood. Blessings of God on all the brothers and sisters aspiring for spiritual development. For thousands of years in India, the sacred mantra known as Vishnu Sahasranama, it means the 1000 sacred mantra names of God, is recited by Vedic Pandits and Rishis in the ancient temples of India. These very holy and secret names of God are presented to the general public without any restriction, breaking the secrecy which held this mantra, a sacred trust of the Rishis of India, for 5,000 years. The reason is obvious. Today, mankind is entering the age of Aquarius, a period of tremendous spiritual development, an opportunity of unlimited spiritual growth opens to the whole of humanity. In answer to the call of the holy Rishis and Masters of the supreme hierarchy, who have given the command to release the sacred mantra to the whole of humanity, the Yoga Brotherhood offers you the mystic chant of the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu. The Vishnu Sahasranama is chanted in every temple in India for the last 5,000 years. It contains the essence of many mantras and is given out in the Mahabharata epic. The Mahabharata, as you must be knowing, is a Sanskrit epic composed by Rishi Vedavyasa 5,000 years back. Before the beginning of the present Kali Yuga, the age of materialism, conflict and greed, before this Kali Yuga dawned, Lord Krishna, the embodied form of God, appeared on the earth for the last time. He revealed the secret mantra of Vishnu Sahasranam to grandfather Bhishma through the ancient heritage of Maharshis. At the end of the great Mahabharata war, this Vishnu Sahasranama mantra is given out by grandfather Bhishma to Yudhishthira, the eldest brother of the 5 Pandavas. The Vishnu Sahasranama contains the essence of all the Vedas. Those who can chant this mystic mantra will get tremendous benefits. Let us see what these benefits are. In the modern world, when people begin to practice yoga, they get a lot of obstacles, obstructions, and hostile forces which will block their spiritual progress. These hostile forces may be in the form of financial trouble, family problems, health like stress, high blood pressure, cancer, and heart disease. Some persons also get some psychic trouble. Most of these troubles are a result of the past evil karma, the bad karma which is accumulated in the chakras The chakras, as you know, are the 7 yoga centers in the body. They store up the past bad karma done by an individual, either in this life or in the previous life. All this bad karma or adverse karma comes out when you take to spiritual path. But unless you know how to purify the chakras, how to purify and cancel the adverse karma, sometimes the adverse planetary positions in your horoscope, they also create a number of hostile forces which will create problems, suffering and sorrow. In order to conquer the stored up adverse karma of the past, the chanting of the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu is prescribed by Rishi Vedavyasa in the Mahabharata. These mantras, if you recite at the beginning and the end of your meditation with all concentration and fully open to the spiritual and mystic force of this mantra, it will purify the chakras. It will clarify a number of problems which you might come across in your personal life, in your profession, or in your health, even in family problems or relationships with the friends and other human partners in your life. The Vishnu Sahasranama produces mystic vibrations. The Vedic mantras are full of extremely spiritual vibrations coming down from the Vedic rishis for 5,000 years in a chain of unbroken succession. These mystic names work wonders. They awaken the Kundalini, they clarify the nadis, they clear your mind of the bad effects of atheism, of disbelief in the God, lack of faith in spiritual future, and also some of the adverse effects of eating meat or drinking wine or even unconsciously causing suffering for others. As you might be knowing, the law of karma is the secret law of action and reaction. Whatever a person, man or woman, does to the fellow human beings, it comes back. Like light flashed on a mirror, the good which you do to the world will reflect back to you. Similarly, the bad suffering, the adverse effects which you might have caused to others, either out of greed or hatred or ignorance, in the previous life or in the present birth, they will come back to you. Yoga teaches that you have to either suffer your bad karma, or if you have the help of a guru, if you have the power of a mantra, you can cancel the bad karma. The Vishnu Sahasranama contains the secret powerful weapon to destroy your bad karma. Even if you do not know how to chant it, you can simply play the chanting, sit in meditation, do the Omkara, pray to your Guru, and open your chakras, open your heart, open your Sahasrara, the head center, so that the mystic vibrations of the Vedic chant, they drive away the evil karma, the bad vibrations. The Vishnu Sahasranama can also set right the bad planetary aspects in your horoscope. The Yoga Brotherhood offers to you this mystic chant of Vishnu Sahasranama, the 1,000 names of God Vishnu, as a service, as a help to brother humanity, to fellow human beings. I wish you all and pray for the very best blessings of God, health, prosperity. Welcome to Yoga Brotherhood. Spread this message. Invite all your friends and brothers to open their soul and realize their divinity. The message of India is to realize man's divinity. Every man is a potential God. It is your birthright. May you prosper in this path of light. Blessings. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat.